Alright, so we're day 4 of my stimulation. As you can see, I am sick. And I'm wearing a varsity biology shirt, which I think is from 2005. So we're pretty throwback today. I said I'm really not feeling well. It's pretty obvious. I'm covered in Vicks Vapor Rub. In my pajamas. And I may or may not have crocheted the cat a sweater. Other than being really sick, I'm doing okay. Again, I don't know how much of this is related to the IVF stuff or just the fact that I have a really nasty cold. So, doing orthogonal. At 300 units, nothing has changed. Tomorrow's my last day before I go in on, or I go in, today's the last day. Today's the last day before I go in and have my follow-up ultrasound and blood work. Yeah, so tomorrow I go in for ultrasound and blood work, and depending on what they see or don't see, they will change the medication. I also have Ganirelix, which may be added depending. They may change the doses of the Gonal or the Menopur. I don't really know. I do feel heaviness on my right side, but I typically do every month, so it's not unusual for me. And other than that, I haven't got another bruise, so that's good.
So you're hungry, so you're gonna eat.
You can hear my family yelling in the background.
There's no food in your mouth.
This stuff hurts so bad. Like, you would think that it would get easier or better, and it just doesn't. So I'm really sad that it doesn't get better. Yeah, see, I'm actually, this stuff, I'm telling you, for whatever reason. So I imagine I'll get a bruise there too. Yeah, that's where we're at. I'm making cat sweaters, my cat pajamas, and going to bed soon because I feel like crap. So hopefully tomorrow I will be dressed like a regular person. I'll go from there.